Hi, these are the top 5 risk parameters associated with risk analysis. If you remember from previous lessons, when you have a risk, first you identify, then you analyze, then you respond. So that second category of risk analyzing, risk analysis, is all about this. I would recommend creating like a spreadsheet, like Excel, and having the long list of risks on the left, and across the top here, you're going to put these kind of parameters. PICTA is one of the acronyms. So let's go through it. Probability and impact are the two of the primary parameters that you want to analyze when looking at risk, because that's going to help you identify when and how much effort and how important is it to look and address and respond to these risks. Probability is the likelihood that it will occur. Probability, likelihood. Very often people will rank it from 1 to 100. 100% is that guaranteed it will occur, down to 1%. Impact, the way you measure impact should very clearly be defined, because you don't want to just have high, medium, low, or 1 versus 5 versus 10, because different people will have different levels of impact in their brain, in their thoughts. So you want to have a number, maybe like a 1, 3, 5, and then you want a bit of a set of words to describe it, to say how severe is a 5 in terms of severity of the impact, and how severe is a 1. So ideally you're aligning some numbers and some words to describe your impact in accordance to your culture, your company, your project. Cause. Now cause is something that you want to look a little bit deeper, more like the root of the risk. So not the risk event itself, but what is that cause? What is the predecessor? What is the thing that is going to trigger the risk to occur? So you're kind of proactively looking. Timing and frequency kind of go together. Timing is more about when will it occur. So maybe June, July, August, or maybe it will occur phase 1 or the third quarter. So you're looking at some kind of timing where you can know when approximately it will occur in the life cycle. And frequency is how often it will occur. So the number of times. If it's repeat offense, then you're going to want to be much more focused on that. Lastly, alternatives, as that parameter goes, it's always look, is there a way we can do something different? So often we say, okay, this is how we have to do the job. But if there are all other alternatives where we could basically try to change the scope of your project, for example, then really exhaust that effort to look at different alternatives. So there are your top risk parameters that you should be looking while doing your risk analysis.